In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Copilot with memory and custom instructions. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening the Copilot interface. Look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your profile picture or a three-dot menu. Tap or click that. This is your gateway to all the app's settings and preferences. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Personalization. This section is where you shape how Copilot understands your preferences and how it responds to you. If you ever get lost, just back out to Settings and return to Personalization. It's all neatly organized there. Inside Personalization, you'll see two key features you can manage with simple toggle switches and edit options: Copilot Memory and Custom Instructions. Think of Copilot Memory as a place where Copilot can remember helpful, recurring details so you don't have to repeat them every time. Use the toggle to turn memory on or off. When it's on, you can use the Edit option to review and refine what's stored. Keep the information practical, like preferences or context you want Copilot to recall, and avoid adding any sensitive personal data. If something changes, open the Edit option and update or remove the details so the memory stays accurate. Next, look at Custom Instructions. This is where you guide Copilot on how you'd like it to respond. Use the toggle to enable it, then choose the Edit option to set your preferences. You might describe the tone you prefer, the level of detail you want, or the format that suits your workflow. Be specific and concise so Copilot can follow your style consistently. If your needs evolve, come back to the same place and make adjustments. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in the quality and usefulness of your results. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your entries short and clear and focus on information that improves responses over time. If you're testing different styles, change one setting at a time so you can see what works best. And remember, these are flexible controls. You can toggle features on or off anytime and edit the content whenever you need. That's it. You opened Copilot, went to Settings, chose Personalization, and used the toggles and edit options to manage Copilot Memory and Custom Instructions. Make these settings your own, and Copilot will feel more tailored to the way you work.